How to add someone to WhatsApp group without being the admin of that group. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add someone to the WhatsApp group without you being the admin. So let us begin. First of all, head over to your WhatsApp. After you're on your WhatsApp, tap on the group. Now after you're on the group, simply tap on the group name on the top. After you do that, you will see the group info. Scroll down and there you should see the list of members. Now you will see right here that I'm not the admin. The admin tag is on someone else and I'm just a normal member. Now right here you will see the add member option. After you tap on the add member option, simply search for the person that you want to add and then simply select the person. After you select it, tap on add and you'll basically have added the person. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you add a new member to your WhatsApp group. And yeah, that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.